Alright guys, well we end up the meet at the same spot where we left from Joseph and the next valley for the Toyota, and this is how we end up back safely back home. So this is where we made the drive. We're ready for the mud. So I just hope that you guys like the video. These are the other one. These are diesel, 2.4 turbo diesel. See the Bali car tag inside too, so ready for the bush. These are some of the tires where we made a drive pan. This is a Liwat 30. Ali 1533 and look like this Dali guard. The shield underneath was the only issue with the vehicle, so which is normal because we ride through trucks, so everything came out perfect. So we're looking forward for another a mud adventure or trip adventure, or just wander about the hills or the mountains of Belize. And Joseph, what you got to say towards this video, man?
And drop some comments, likes, and other destinations too.
All right. So if somebody want to go back there by Davis Falls, are you willing to take them?
But of course.
Alright. What you got to say?
That's a lot of man got 4-wheel drive that I'm also predict.
Alright. So what you try to say?
And if you get anything out in the mud.
Alright, in the mud, the man they say.
Get them things on the trail.
Yeah. And that's because the man make it in a 2-wheel drive, my brother. The man take that risk, and the man was willing to left it all, but he take the risk, and the videos got the proof that the man make it through some deadly mud that anybody could have get stuck just in a 2-wheel drive. So thumbs up, my Bali.
Yes, man.
Alright. This is my next Bali where we gone with Vito. We're ready for pool or whatever, but you know what? We finally make it.
Like and subscribe.
Alright.